How much should you actually spend on an Obd2 scanner? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, ANCEL AD310 Obd2 Scanner. First up is the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner. Priced at just $37.91, this little device caught my attention for its solid reputation. If you want a reliable, no-frills code reader that can effectively diagnose your car's check engine light, this is worth a serious look. So why does the AD310 matter to you? It's got a neat feature called Cell Doctor, which means you can pinpoint what's causing that pesky check engine light. It reads and clears codes quickly, and it's compatible with vehicles from 1996 and newer. Plus, you don't need to worry about batteries. It draws power directly from your car's OBD2 port. Here's why this matters. If you're tired of visiting the mechanic just for a simple check, this tool can save you time and money. Now, some users have pointed out that the AD310 only reads emission-related codes. This might frustrate those looking for a comprehensive diagnostic tool. But here's the thing, if you primarily need to address check engine issues, it's still a fantastic option that won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer who just wants to check engine codes without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need in-depth diagnostics beyond emissions. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the AD310's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Scanner. Next on the list is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool, priced at $101.07. This one grabbed my attention with its promise of professional-level diagnostics right from your phone. If you want a robust tool that can dig deep into your car systems, this is definitely worth a look. What makes the BlueDriver stand out? You can read and clear trouble codes, including ABS and SRS, and get unlimited repair reports that provide possible fixes. The real-time health monitoring is a game changer, allowing you to see live data while driving. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who wants to feel like a mechanic without the hefty price tag, this tool gives you that insight right in your pocket. Now, some users have mentioned that the app can be a bit clunky at times. Here's the thing though, while it may not be perfect, the wealth of information it provides far outweighs this minor annoyance, especially for those who value detailed diagnostics. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly device that connects easily to your phone and provides extensive data about your vehicle. Skip this one if you prefer standalone devices without app dependencies. For the features you get, it's a smart investment. That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for BMW owners. Product number 3, OBD2 CX BimmerCode Adapter. The OBD2 CX BimmerCode Bluetooth adapter comes in at $101.07 as well, and it's made specifically for BMW and Mini vehicles. If you own one of these cars and want to get into coding and diagnostics, this is definitely worth your time. What's great about the OBD2 CX? It offers solid coverage of vehicle protocols, ensuring you won't run into data issues. The connection is reliable, which means no dropped packets or corrupted data. Here's why this matters. If you're looking to personalize your BMW, this tool is a must-have. However, some users have noted that the BimmerCode app isn't included in the purchase, which can be a bit frustrating. But honestly, if you're serious about coding your vehicle, investing in the app is worth it for the level of customization it allows. This is perfect for you if you own a BMW or Mini and want to dive into vehicle coding. Skip this one if you drive a different brand. For the customization options alone, it's a great buy. Alright, moving on to the next product that offers a more comprehensive scanning experience. Product number 4, KINGBOLEN EDIAG Elite Scanner. Next up is the KINGBOLEN EDIAG Elite OBD2 Scanner, priced at $139.05. This caught my eye for its bidirectional testing feature, which is quite unique. If you want a versatile tool that goes beyond basic diagnostics, this is worth considering. So what's the deal with the EDIAG Elite? The bidirectional testing means you can actively test components like windows and AC clutches, making it easier to identify issues. It connects to both Android and iOS, which adds to its flexibility. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who enjoys DIY repairs and needs a tool that can handle various tasks, this can really streamline your process. However, some users mentioned that it might be more complicated for absolute beginners. Here's the thing, if you're willing to invest a bit of time to learn the features, you'll find it's a powerhouse for diagnostics and repairs. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or mechanic looking for an all-in-one tool. Skip this one if you want something straightforward without extra features. Given its capabilities, it offers good value for the price. Now, if the EDIAG Elite's complexity worries you, the next product is designed for simplicity while still packing a punch. Product number 5, ThinkDiag2 Obd2 Scanner. Finally, we have the ThinkDiag2 All-System Bidirectional Obd2 Diagnostic Scanner, priced at $157.64. This one is pretty impressive with its comprehensive capabilities. If you want a scanner that can handle a wide range of vehicles and systems, this is a solid option. What's cool about the ThinkDiag2? You get bidirectional control so you can test functions directly from your smartphone. The AutoVin function is super convenient, automatically identifying your vehicle for quick diagnostics. Here's why this matters. If you're working with various makes and models, this tool can really help streamline your workflow and ensure thorough diagnostics. Some users have reported occasional connectivity issues. But honestly, given the range of features and the level of detail it provides, most users find that the benefits outweigh these minor setbacks. This is perfect for you if you need an advanced tool for a variety of vehicles and want to perform in-depth diagnostics. Skip this one if you only need basic code reading. For the features you get, it's a worthwhile investment. So to wrap things up, we started with the ANCEL AD310 for basic troubleshooting, then moved to the Blue Driver for more advanced diagnostics. The Obd2 CX suited BMW enthusiasts, while the KINGBOLEN EDIAG Elite offered versatility for DIYers. Finally, the ThinkDiag2 packed a punch with comprehensive features. Depending on your vehicle needs, any of these could be a great addition to your toolkit.